So check this out. I've got a million things running in my Radio Shack laundry room right now, but see that POTUS station? He's in Indiana. See my rig? It's set to the 6-foot high dipole. Now that POTUS station's operating right now, and I hear nothing. He's in my neighboring state in Indiana. I'm in Michigan, right? And I honestly thought a 6-foot high dipole on 20 meters would allow me to work Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, you know. Oh my God. And so I had my volume turned up fairly high, hoping to hear this guy. And another ham in Arizona worked him. And when that guy keyed up, he about rocked me out of my chair, man. He was 10 dB over 9 on a 6-foot high dipole from Arizona. So this 6-foot high dipole does allow me to work into the further out into the Midwest in Texas and up into New Brunswick and that type of distance. But a neighboring state like Illinois, Ohio, or Indiana, yeah, doesn't look good. Man, I was out working on the barn. I've got one more row of shingles to go on the very tippy top, and Mom Nature shut me down. Uh-oh. I better back up into the garage. Oh, I've got my antennas disconnected, the cacti's disconnected, the 80-meter wonder wire's disconnected, the 6-foot high shit hits the fan real world dipole is disconnected. What a storm we got moving in. Woo! Enough of that. 73.